Welcome back to my channel, Ask DeAvila Sadé, with your host, Dr. DeAvila Sadé, and I'm back with a new video. If you're new to my channel is where mental health meets millennial, with just some sprinkles of my Microlocs journey and some travel vlogs here and there, and I'm back with another Microlocs video. Y'all, I know, y'all think this is the only robe I got. I promise it's not. I got 3 other robes, but this is like my favorite. One of my friends, she gave it to me and I just love this robe. Anyway, that's probably not even what you're thinking. You're here because you see the title of my video is about deep conditioning my locks for the first time. Y'all, I've never, in the almost 2.5 years of being locked, I have never deep conditioned my locks, but I have noticed that my locks have become just a tad bit more dry. I know it's the winter time right now, so of course that happens, and this is my first real year of being fully mature, so kind of seeing how my locks feel, that they need a little more extra nourishing. So I am doing a deep condition treatment, and I think I might start doing this at least once a month, but probably every 2 weeks, because you know, I'm getting my hair colored. Yes, I've committed to it, y'all. I'm not telling y'all the date. I already got the appointment on the books. Now, I can say that I'm getting it done in February. However, you probably will not see it maybe close to the end of March. No lie, because I dropped 1 video a week and I already had videos all the way lined up, I think, until the 5th. And I think this one will come out on March the 10th, which means that there's a chance that you might not see it to the end of March. So unless I need to start dropping more frequently, but I don't think I make enough content to do that. Anyway, I have not washed my hair yet. Actually, I have not washed my hair in 2 weeks, y'all. I have not washed my hair in 2 weeks, but it's because I had the braids in my hair. I did the braid style, which I have some shorts on that. I did a braid style, and then I wore it crinkly for an additional week. So yeah, I haven't washed my hair, and I know that is so disgusting, but pish posh bagosh. I am going to be washing my hair with my favorite shampoo to help with my seborrheic dermatitis. No lie, that thing flaring up, because I felt like I was going in using the scalp elixir since I hadn't washed my hair, and I was just like, oh, it is time. It is time to wash my hair. Like, you get that feeling where you know your scalp is you starting to itch it and pat it too much. But yes, I'm going to use my favorite shampoo from the Head & Shoulders Royal Oils line. Y'all know I talk about this. Sponsor me already, because I talk about this and I swear by it. But I will be using this. I will not be washing my hair on camera with this, because who got time for that? Y'all seen so many wash videos. Y'all definitely don't need one from me. The first deep conditioner that I'm going to use on my locks is one that I used to use when I was a loose natural, and it's the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Leave-In Conditioner with fig extract and baobab oil. I might be pronouncing it wrong. Doctors pronounce stuff wrong, y'all, all the time. But yes, I used to use this when I was a loose natural, and I'm excited to bring it into my lock journey now, where I am with mature locks. I'm thinking about doing a deep condition series, so trying like a deep conditioner, say I do it twice a month or maybe weekly, who knows, depending on how I feel, because I have incorporated conditioner into my locks, but I think I might swap out the conditioner and just do a deep conditioner, because I don't really be moisturizing every day like I need to. Not that you have to moisturize every day. Anyway, I am going to probably do a series where I try different deep conditioners. So if there's one that you want me to try on my locks, just let me know. I have a couple already lined up, so this is just one. I'm gonna try it for about a month or 2, especially when I get my colors, to see how I like it, and then I'll try another one. But I'm gonna do a whole series on deep conditioners if you want me to. Okay, so the way I'm gonna deep condition my hair is after I wash it, I'll come back on camera and show y'all how I am putting it in my hair. Now, what I'm gonna do in this video is gonna determine how I move forward. What happens, what is the outcome of this is gonna determine how I go forward. Because it's so thick, a part of me really wants to get an applicator bottle and dilute it and put it in my hair, and then, you know, keep it in for about an hour. But I don't have an applicator bottle, so I'm gonna have to just put it in directly. if I would suggest, we're gonna see how it comes out, but off the rip, I probably would say dilute your deep conditioner because it's so thick and we don't want to worry about product buildup. But maybe I'll do a video where I actually dilute it and see if there's a real difference. But if I get any product buildup, understand that I'm going to start diluting it. But hopefully that is not the case. Sometimes it might take a couple of uses before you really see a lot of product buildup, but we'll see. You know what? Y'all saw this when y'all logged in that this was gonna be my first time trying it. So just use it as a guide. I'm also going to put 2 plastic processing caps and keep my locks in for about an hour because Married to Medicine is about to come on and we need to wrap this up. Usually I would put this on, but I would sit under my little hooded dryer that's attached to my blow dryer and do that for about 30 minutes. And since I don't have time, I mean, I guess I could watch Married to Medicine later. I'm just gonna just let it sit. My scalp is gonna produce enough heat. This will be okay. That's why I'm gonna keep it in for an hour. But I probably would also suggest sitting under a hooded dryer for less time, or doing this method where you keep it in for an hour and you do 2 caps instead of 1. But let's go ahead so you guys can start seeing me apply this to my locks. Y'all see I got my handy dandy black t-shirt. Now, I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but baby, these locks have grown so much in 2 years. Well, almost 2.5. Ain't gonna be 3 until September. Let's go ahead and add the conditioner in there. And I think I'm gonna just do it 1 section at a time, just so I can make sure I cover everything. So it's not like super, super thick. This kind of feels like regular conditioner. So it probably, and it's going on kind of like regular conditioner. So this, I might not need to dilute this at all anyway. So we want to make sure that we're concentrating on the ends. And yes, I am looking in the mirror as I do this. I want to make sure we putting it all on there. Because baby, the way mama has been neglecting her over these past 2 weeks, it should be a shame. Okay, y'all see I got it in there. Now a lot of it did, I feel like it really penetrated my locks. Some I see it might put a little too much, it's sitting on top, but we gonna see. So let's go ahead and put on my cap and we're gonna let it process for about an hour. Long enough for me to watch Married to Medicine. That's 1. That's 2. A part of me feel like I want to put 3, but I think I'm just being extra. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit on for an hour, and then I'm going to rinse it out and come back and let y'all see the results. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I am back. I just rinsed out the deep conditioner and it did really, really well. I'm gonna do a close-up so y'all can see. I didn't see any product buildup. Now I did rinse it out for probably about 5 minutes. I was real getting up in there. So I was rinsing about 5-7 minutes, making sure that I got it. But yeah, if you can look, hopefully I did get it all out. But yeah, y'all, my hair, first of all, it smells amazing. I miss having conditioner in my hair, and deep conditioner at that. I told you I started adding conditioner not too long ago, but now I'm gonna start adding it. It smells so good, and I think because the consistency wasn't so thick like some deep conditioners are, I don't think you will have to dilute it. And I kept it on with those two heads for an hour, the entire Married to Medicine, and rinsed it out. But yeah, y'all, baby, she out of the desert. There's no more dry wear. So yes, you guys, I'm definitely gonna continue to add deep conditioner to my regimen. Again, the only thing that I would probably do different is I would have set under my hooded dryer for less time, 30 minutes. But hey, if you don't mind, you got some work to do, or you can spare time, then the two processing caps were fine. I used to do that when I was a loose natural, so it still did well. But yeah, I like to do a little baking. And I'll probably start adding that depending on the time that I have. But this came out so good. My locks are so juicy. I'll leave all the products below. And that is it for this video. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and following all my social media platforms on TikTok and Twitter. And I look forward to bringing you a new video. I'll see you later. Bye.